Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add friends to a group on Roblox using your PC, especially with the new update. So let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Roblox on your PC. Once you're logged in and ready, take a look at the left side menu. Here, you want to click on the More option. This will expand your menu and give you access to additional features. Next, click on Groups. This will take you to the groups you're part of. If you haven't joined any yet, now might be a great time to explore and join a few. Now that you're on the Groups page, locate the specific group you want to add your friends to. Once you've found it, look for the Members section. This is where you can see who's already part of the group, and of course, where you'll be adding your friends. In the Members section, you'll see an option that says Invite Player. Click on that. This is where the fun begins. You can either enter your friend's Roblox username directly, or select them from your friends list if they're playing at the moment. Once you've entered your friend's username, all that's left is to hit that invite button. And voila! Your friend will receive the invite, and once they accept, they'll be part of your Roblox group. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy Roblox with your friends in your group. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming!